Don't you even leap forward, you silly little snaky.
Watch out, Dina.
Careful, watch your feet.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, Catherine. Whoa. Okay, go. Oh, he missed it. Oh, let go.
You did? No, I didn't stop. Okay, we're gonna just have to grab it and go.
Now he's worked up. Why he's like that?
Because he wasn't taught properly. He was scared by needles when he was young. And he just thinks, he literally thinks that we're trying to kill him.
He does, actually.
If I could just pet him.
I know.
He's not. Get my glove. See, nothing in my hand.
That's my glove.
Okay, how about a bucket with a little bit of those sunflower seeds in the bottom?
He
Like, dump
likes
it out. Make sure it's not a dirty, like not the dirty, yucky oats.
Make sure it's not what?
The dirty
Not
yucky
any yucky oats in it, just like a bucket.
Yeah, an empty bucket.
Yeah, empty bucket. It's rock hard with it though.
I know.
You gotta relax, buddy. Because you bend the needles all the time.
You guys won't go in. Oh, what's this? Oh, he's a work in art. An art in work.
Did you just poke him and take it out?
No, I was just gonna.
Oh.
I'll let him take a few bites.
Just don't be in front of him, because he's going to go forward. Back off. Good boy. Here. Good boy. You see how graceful?
Pet him.
Oh, he's scared. I'm trying.
You just pet him.
Now he's scared of the sunflower seeds.
I know.
No, we're all good. Look how wound his eyes are. He's like,
It's really sad that he's like that.
He's such a good horse otherwise.
yeah. You're good. You're not going to do anything else.
There you go.
No, no, miss.
Well done. Good boy.